All right, so we got the gang all here. We got April with her head out the window. We got Sir Chauncey looking all serious. We got the goofball Jax. So we're at Oak Hill Cemetery, and Jax and I, we've come up here a couple of times in the last few days just to get him familiar with the route. Ain't that right, boy? Thank you, some Paul. Thank you, sir. So yeah, we came up here a few times, and I wanted to get him familiar with the route so that way he could lead his pack and not chase no foxes today. So Jax, you better listen. You hear me, Jax? Better listen. So, all right, this should be a good run. I'm assuming Jax is going to stay on the street here, the path, if you will. So let's see. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait. On your mark, get set, go. Go. Jackson, go. Go.
Shoot, they took off all of a sudden.
This is Earthtone Music Productions.
Yep, Jack's going the right way, just like I would hope. Hey, no! Get out the path there. Good boy, go Jax. Jax, go. Go, April. Jax, no! Jax, no! Get over here! Come on! See, you get so excited. You know that's not the way. Go! Hey, Jax! Oh my goodness, he's getting on my nerves. April, go! Slow. Yeah, he wants to try to go a different way since he has his crew with him. That's not cool. That ain't cool. Jax? Jax? Good job. Jax! Hey, listen, you chill out. Chelsea, slow it down. I don't even know where you're going. Hey! Go. Come on. Come on. April, move it.
This is Earthtone Music Productions.
Hey. Come on. Hey. Good job. April, what are you doing? Hey!
This is Earthtone Music Productions.
Hey, come here. Stay.